Good morning. This is Covert Crop James. Today we're going to be making our Bokashi. What we have here is everything is pre-measured up and in some cups that we reuse. So don't want everybody to freak out. Oh, more wasted yellow solo cups. But anyway, what this is, we're going to make 10 gallons of Bokashi today. That equals about 50 pounds of ground red winter wheat. And one of our first ingredients is C90. We use that as our salt source. We also have lacto-fermented beet juice. That stuff's so pretty. We also had liquid kelp. And of course, EM1. Now, and over here we have our molasses. We usually, down in Florida, we had access to fresh banana flowers, so we fermented those with brown sugar. And that was a lot of our sugar source instead of using the actual beet juice. But, you know, in this case, it's work with what you got, work with what you have and what's actually available. Now, this is azomite. This is a form of rock dust, and we use it as it goes in the actual grains dry. We mix all the dry ingredients first as far as this goes. We mix that with the wheat, and it's also an anti-caking agent. So that makes things a lot easier when it comes to laying this stuff out and drying it, whether it's sun drying or, you know, force air drying over a screen or whatever. Depending on the weather, depends on how we'll do it. But yeah, here's all the ingredients. Like I said, we'll get this mixed up, and we're gonna throw it in 5 gallons of water. This is 4 gallons. I'll mix up all my wet ingredients and stir this up, and then I'll add the final gallon into it. The EM1 will go last. And once all that's mixed up, and definitely the salt, the C90, really, it takes a while for that to dissolve, so you gotta really agitate it real good. And once that's done, we will mix that in with our grains that are already dusted with all the azomite mixed in. And this will go into we're going to use contractor bags, and we'll put a light seal on it on the top, and we'll tie them lightly so we can watch the fermentation as it happens. You'll notice the gases will start building up, and the fermentation process happens, the gases will start building up in the actual bags, and that's how we'll know it works. And then after that, the fun part of drying. All right, folks, we're going to get this mixed up. Just a quick little update on how we do it, and at least how we're doing this batch. And that's about it. We'll talk to you later.